Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's solve the problem copy list with random pointer. So this is a very famous problem and it's asked in interviews frequently. This problem is got asked to me in 2018 in one of the company when I was interviewing. So you can pause the video and read the problem statement yourselves. So the problem is given as a linked list with the two pointers. One is next pointer as usual traditional linked list, while there is another pointer reference which is random that can go link v anything, any other node in the list like forward or the backward or the null itself. So as for the first example, we have this list with 5 nodes. The values are 7, 13, 11, 10 and 1, and the next node 7 pointing to 13, 13 pointing to 11 and so on, while the random pointer of 7 is going from this link to pointing null, and random pointer of 13 is pointing back to the node 7. Similarly, random pointer of 11 is pointing back to the node 1. So this is the list. Now we have to deep copy this list and return the head node of that list. So let's understand this problem over here in very detail. So we have to first of all create a copy of each node and also form the structure like next pointer of copied list is also point the next, like if we create 7 node it point to 13, and the random pointer of 7 it should point to the null. Similarly, random pointer of 13 point back to the copied node 7. So how we will solve this problem? So one of the straightforward solution is like first we will iterate through the list using the next pointer. So this next pointer, and we will clone all the nodes. So first we will clone the node with value 7 and mark the next pointer of the 7 node to the 13. Then we will clone the 13. So also we will keep a copy like mapping of the original node which is 7 to the 7 dash. So let it meet always as 7 dash in the copied one. So this is, let's say for just example to clarify easily, like 7 is the original list node, 7 dash is a copied linked list node. So we will keep this copy into one data structure where we can easily get when we call based on key, so which is dictionary or the hash map. So in hash map we will keep a map copy of the node in the original list which is 7, reference of the nodes, so it will be reference to mapping with the copied node which is 7 dash. So we will add this when we create the node. So in first pass we just iterate this list starting from the head node and go to next and create new node. So here we create 13 dash and then we call the next node point, and also we will create a mapping of 13 to 13 dash. Similarly here other nodes like 11 dash and 11 dash to 10 dash and so on. So like that we will create an 11 map to 11 dash. So in first pass we will create this list just using the next pointer, like copy the all the nodes and keep the next pointer as according to the original list. And also as usual all the list problem is better to solve using a dummy head. So we will also use dummy head here so that we can easily find the head node of this list. So we will keep a dummy head over here and start a dummy variable dummy node reference from, and then next point to the new node create, and then update the next dummy to dummy dot next and so on. Similarly we update let's start this from the current and we update this current dot next every iteration and run this while loop until the current reach to this node which is null. At that time we will terminate. So in first pass this is done. Now second pass we will again start current pointer from here and check where is the random pointer of this current node is pointing. So we will know with this current dot random which is pointing to for this node is null. Then we will take the random, so null, we will map this to this guy. So random of this 7 dash will be the value from the null dot get this. So we will get the mapping from current, so this points to null here. Similarly for 13 we will get the mapping, so 13 random pointer is pointing to 7. So first of all we will get the random pointer corresponding to like pointer which is mapping from 7 to 7 dash from the map. So this 7 is the random pointer like 13. So we will map 13 dash to the 7 dash. So this is like this. Similarly for 11 we will see the random pointer of 11 is pointing to the node 1. So this will point to the node 1 which we didn't create it. So let's say here node 1 is here 1 dash, so we will point it to like that. So we will iterate this list using current pointer, and every time take the random pointer and update the random of current. So we will also iterate this list by using the dummy pointer and move dummy pointer by next. So this is a straightforward solution. You can pause the video and try to implement yourself. So here is the code for this solution. So first we created a map from old list node to copied list node, and then we started a dummy head from any value you can create. Then we started to point a current from the head of the list and the copy from the dummy head. So first we iterate this list until current not null, and then copy.next equals to the new node from the current dot value. Then we update copy to copy.next, because initially this list will have dummy node only, dummy node, and copy is pointing to this guy. So first we create new node and assign to copy.next here. Then we update this copy from here to copy.next. So copy will be pointing this like that, and also add the reference mapping into the map. So first pass 1 is done. Then second pass we again start and map the random pointer. So now if you see, the time complexity of this solution is O of n, as we are iterating our list 2 times, which is 2n and nothing but O of n, and space complexity is also O of n. So can we further optimize the space for this? So let's try to understand. As this is our original list, so what we will do, so let's, for example, let's take the shorthand list like A, B and C, we have 3 nodes in our list. Now we need to create a copy node. So copy node, we will create copy node like A to A dash and break this link and add A dash in between this. Similarly we will create B dash here and add into it, and similarly we create C dash here. So here let's say we have null, so this point to the null. So this is how finally if I restructure it, so A, then A dash, then V dash, then C and C dash, and after that null. So this is our list. In one pass we create the copied node and also insert in between the after the actual node of our original list. So this is our original list, and then we added the copied node after every node, like copy of every node after itself in between. So like this and this. Now let's say any initial list, A random pointer pointing to B and V random pointer pointing to, let's say, A back, and C random pointer pointing back to the B. So now we need to, this random pointer is still pointing as it is because we are not disturbing any random pointer of our original list. So C will point to B. So now what we will do in second pass, we will process again this list and pick the first node, which is A. We'll look for the random pointer of A which pointing to B. Then we will go to the next A dot next. Random pointer should be whatever we like, random like A node pointing to B, then which is next of this node. So we will map this like this. So A dash random pointer point to the B dash. Similarly B dash random pointer back to the A dash, and C dash random pointer point to the B dash. So this is the how link is created after this. So now in third pass what we will do, we will fetch only the dash node separately in one list and make original list as it is, which is before the any modification. So this is the idea. So let me explain you more step in code wise how we will do. So let's say this is A, let's take B and C again, and I started current node from here. So first of all we will create a new node. So let's say copy node. So we create a copy node of A. So this will be new node from the value same as it is, whatever current node dot value, shorthand C. So current node dot value, and then we will add the copy dot next to B, which is copy dot next is equals to current dot next. So current dot next. Then we update current dot next to copy. copy. So this will be goes to the copy, and we will update current our current to two node ahead, because we added one extra node over here in this link, which is copy node, which is a dash. So we will update our current to current dot next dot next. So this is the idea to create a copied node and also add in between after the actual node. So this is the first step. So let's jump on the implementation. I will explain all these steps over here so you can understand more clearly. So first of all, we will just process, let's say create a node current from the head initialize. We should not update from the head pointer itself, because we need head for more next step like step 2 and step 3. So in step 1 we iterate while current not equals to null. Then in that case we first create a node copy, which is from new node current dot next current dot value. Once we got, we will update copy dot next is equals to copy current dot next. Similarly we update current dot next to copy. That's it. And then we update our current to current dot next 2 node ahead. So this is the step 1, creating new node and inserting it after the actual node. So after that we will iterate again current is equals to, again start from head. Now this time we move the random pointer. So current not equals to null. In that case we start, so first of all current dot next node will be there, and we need to set the random of this guy. So current dot next dot random node will be current dot random. So whatever random is pointing, so we have to also check if it is not null. If it is not null, then we will, if it is null, then we will assign directly null. Otherwise current dot random dot next is the random pointer which is next to the copied node. So how it is, this will be like here a dash b dash. So random of a pointing b, then a dash random should point to b dash. So this is what this step here. Similarly after that we update our current to is equals to current dot next 2 node ahead. Once is done, now we will extract out our node new list like copied node list. So let's create a first dummy head from the initialize from, let's say dummy value, new node some value, and one more node point reference pointer node. So dummy, let's say, is start from dummy head itself, and current again from the head. So this is step 3. Here again we have to iterate until the current not equal to null. And what we need to do now, we need to fetch the next node. Dummy is equal to current dot next. So current dot next is the first node of our, or like every node of our copied list. So we will get in dummy, then we update dummy to dummy dot next. So this should be dummy dot next. Dummy dot next. Now this is done. We also need to modify our original list to the as a original list. So we will update the current dot next is equals to current dot next back to, like, we are removing the copied node. We copied in our dummy like new list reference, and we are removing from our original list. Once it's done, we will update our current to current dot next. So this is done. Now after that we just return dummy head dot next. So that is the head node of our copied list. So let's try to compile the code and see if everything is working fine. So as you can see, everything is working fine. Now let's try to submit the code, and it got accepted. So there are 3 steps we followed. First, we created the copies node. So first step, copy node and insert after actual nodes, then map random pointer, and after that extract. Step 3 we did extract copy node. That's it. So now if you see, as 3 time we are processing our list, so the time complexity of this solution O of 3n, which is nothing but O of n, and there is no extra space we are using, just we are using constant like pointers, few pointers. So the space of this solution is O1. So if you like this solution, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And there are 2 more other problem on graph, like cloning a graph. I have already video posted on that, and there is a cloning a tree as well. I'm not sure whether the video is there or not. You can try both the problem.